me, you might have been struggling with facial hair. I tend to have excess chin hair and it is a problem. However, what I do to keep mine looking this good, guys, and I can clearly show it to you, I use turmeric. And I use turmeric and I've been using it for a while and see amazing results. Today I'm going to share my recipe with you that I use to get rid of my facial hair. This is a recipe that you will need to use several times before it comes as clean as mine, but it is well worth it. So if you're looking to get rid of facial hair, whether it is excess chin hair or even excess sideburn, or even if you're looking for something to get rid of excess hair somewhere down there, then guess what? This remedy is for you. So do not click off, continue watching for the recipe.
To make our facial hair remover, we're going to use a small bowl and take a look at my first ingredient. I'm going to be using some cornstarch in this recipe, and cornstarch is acting as a bond for the rest of the ingredient. When you use water and cornstarch, it's going to form a thick paste, and this is going to help with easier extraction of the facial hair. I'm using 1 tablespoon of the cornstarch. I'm adding this to the bowl. Next, I'm reaching for some baking soda, and baking soda is what's going to help to soften the hair. When you apply baking soda on your hair, it helps to get rid of the hair, and not only that, it also helps the hair to take longer to grow back. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of the baking soda. Remember, baking soda is also sodium bicarbonate, and I'm going to mix the two together, mixing baking soda and cornstarch, and I'm going to mix well. Now, once this is done, I'm going to reach for my third powder, and here I have some turmeric powder. Today I choose to use white turmeric. Now, white turmeric is just as effective as the yellow turmeric. What I like about the white turmeric is that it's less messy, and it won't stain your sheet or your clothing like the yellow turmeric do. So I'm using 1 tablespoon of this white turmeric. Turmeric work on your hair to inhibit the hair growth. If you use turmeric on your facial hair, it causes the hair to take longer to grow back. Very, very effective. You can even choose to use the turmeric standalone by itself by mixing it into a paste. However, when you mix it with the rest of the ingredient that I'm sharing, it is very, very much more effective and you get a faster result. So 1 tablespoon of the white turmeric, adding this to the bowl with the cornstarch and the baking soda, and now we are going to mix the 3 powders together, and we are mixing well. This is the base for your hair removal. So you can choose to mix this and store it in an airtight container and keep it in your refrigerator for about 6 months. Whenever you're ready to use it, just take it out and then you go ahead and you add the liquid to it. So with that said, we are going to move on to my liquid of choice. And today I'm going to be using lemon. This is an acid, guys, and this is what's going to bond all of the other 3 ingredients together. The acid from the baking soda and from the lemon is going to create this strong hair remover, while the cornstarch is going to help to keep it on your skin for longer period of time. Really an amazing combination of ingredients. So what I'm using is about a half of a lemon, and I'm using about 2 tablespoons of the lemon juice. So this depends on how much juice you have in your lemon. So go ahead and squeeze that juice. Please remember to remove the seeds from the lemon. We do not want to mix the seeds in. So 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And if you have the store-bought lemon juice, the one that you find in the refrigerator section of your grocery, you can choose to use 2 tablespoons of that if you do not have fresh lemon. If you have lime, you can also go ahead and use the lime instead of the lemon. And now we are going to mix, and we are mixing well. We're mixing cornstarch, baking soda, turmeric powder, and lemon juice. This is what makes our facial hair remover. Now, you're gonna ask, do we need to shave before we use this? Yes, you can go ahead and you can shave it if you so choose. If not, it depends on the length of the hair that you're trying to extract. However, what I find that works really with this is to, get rid of extra length if it's very lengthy, and then you start to use this. What will happen? The hair will grow back, but with continuous use of this, it will slowly grow less and less, just like you do your electrorosses, just less and less until before you know it, you're doing this just once a month, and before you know it, you're doing this once every 2 months. For now, you need to use this at least 2 to 3 times a week for best result. And once this is mixed, you can actually store this in your refrigerator. If when you're ready to use it, it's a little dry, go ahead and add a little bit more of the lemon juice in it, and you are good to go. Rub it on your chin, apply it on your chin, leave it on the chin area for at least 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, then you're going to rinse off, preferably with some warm water, pat dry the skin, and go ahead and do your regular facial care. Amazing, guys, but you're not gonna know this unless you try it. So go ahead, whip it up, mix it up, use it up. After about 3 to 4 weeks, come back and leave a comment.
And there you have it. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And also, if you have a good remedy that you personally use and you're seeing result, don't be afraid to put it in the comment section below. Thank you all for watching. And one more thing, guys, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, don't forget to subscribe by hitting the word subscribe below, and also turn on post notification. Another thing, also, we have a show every Sunday Chit Chat, 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It is our live show, so you don't want to miss our live show. Come on over and watch with us at 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for 1 hour Sunday Chit Chat with Khichibeauty. There you get to ask as many questions as you want. There you get to express yourself, and if there's something you're not clear about on any remedy that we share, you can also ask. So join us 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time every Sunday. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video.